Hi, Bessie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Virgo, also known as Karen. I'll be setting up my cash wallet for the week and also cash stuffing. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay until the end. Hi, Bestie. So I will be splitting up my video and doing multiple uploads of this cash stuffing, but I will begin with this video cash stuffing and setting up my cash wallet along with doing the 100 envelope savings challenge. So guys, I am absolutely loving this financial organizer right here, where I'm able to separate my cash into different denominations. I'm loving this from cloth and paper. I'm so glad I got it. So far, so good. I'm adding receipts to it as well. And I do have my teller slips within it too. So I'm just loving the financial organizer from CNP, and I definitely will be ordering another one when it's available. So I'm really loving it. So let's add up the cash that I have available. So I will be cash stuffing $581. $30 of this with the $2 bills will be going towards the saving with friends. So I'm gonna start setting up my cash wallet for the week. My first time actually doing a cash wallet was last week and I loved it. Now I did add this planner card from Notique to this binder, which I thought was absolutely perfect. And it says I will organize and plan my money. So I did like the cash wallet during my first week of actually utilizing it, and I did go ahead and add a few more categories for this week for things that I need to do. I was thinking about it, brainstorming, trying to decide what categories that I need. So I went ahead and added a few more categories. So I did document how much I spent if I utilized the money that I had in particular categories, but I did not um deduct it from what I had in the envelope. So that's what I'm doing right now, making sure that I update it so that it reconciles to the funds that I already have available within there. I do have coins within this wallet, but I haven't cash stuffed that today. So I have $20 stuff in food, and I'm going to add additional $50. So now I will have $70 available to spend within this particular category. So my next category is miscellaneous, and I did spend the $20, so I definitely have to zero this out on the tracker to make sure that it reflects that. So when I just pull out my wallet, if I glance at it, that I see that there's no monies available within this particular category. Okay, so my next category is household, and I did spend some money at Target. So now I only have available $13. So I definitely will need to add additional monies to this particular category. So I am adding $35 to household. So my balance right now available within this wallet, well, within this envelope will be $48. So how often do you do your cash wallet? How often do you set it up? Do you do it just monthly, weekly, every paycheck? If you can leave that in a comment, what works for you, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm new to it, and so I just started to start off just weekly to see how it works. So we'll see. I added a new category, and this is one of them, which is mass and healthcare, and I'll be adding to this envelope $20. So I did add another category to my binder or my cash wallet. It is car maintenance. I do need to get the car inspected and also a oil change. So I thought it'd be great to add this to my cash wallet as well. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it all done this coming week. It might be next week, but I thought it'd be great to add it to my cash wallet. So when I do get it done, that I'll have the money already allocated for it. So the last envelope that I'll be cash stuffing today is the self-care, the hair envelope. This is something new that I added as well, cause I do need to eventually get my hair done. So I'm adding $50 to this today. So that's it for setting up my cash wallet for the week. Gonna see how it works. And if I need to add additional categories, next week, I will do so. But that's all I could think of at the moment. So next up, I'm going to do my budget planner. Within my budget planner, I do have weekly saving challenges that I'm currently doing. As I mentioned in my previous video last week, it's a sticker that I got out a Happy Planner sticker book, Know Your Worth sticker book, and I just decided to add this to the monthly, and this week I will need to save $30 added to what I've already saved for the month of August with this particular savings challenge. So with this challenge, I have saved $70 so far, and eventually, at the end of the month, I will be adding this to my sinking funds binder. So this is my 100 envelope savings challenge binder right here. And today I will be cash stuffing $80. And I have to decide on which combination of numbers that I want to utilize for the $80. So to shorten up my cash stuffing video, I'm going to separate it, and I will upload another video of my cash stuffing for Go Wild and the other challenges that I did. Bestie, thank you so much for joining me as I set up my cash wallet and do my budget planner, cash stuffing along with the 100 envelope. To know when I upload my other cash stuffing for the week, turn on your notification bells